boy the pencil. It's a boy the pencil. Do the ABCs, the S, and the 1, 2, 3 S. Take the pencil. It's a boy the pencil. Set us out. Hey guys, today we will play this combo Skateboard and that says chase. And then now look at this. Look on the bottom. It says don't put in the water, guys. That's how you break it. Look, guys. Look at combo. Even his remote control. So, guys, let's open it. Today is even Monday, guys. Let's open it. Mine to help.
Okay.
Not mine.
I'll do it.
Help. It's okay. Hey guys, mommy is helping me. Hey guys, now we open this. Now, we about to take it out, and I already take his out. And look, you guys. I like this remote controller. We try and open this underneath mommy's cell.
Okay, pass it to me, babe. I got it. Pass it.
Because there's some on the back, guys.
Okie dokie. Let's open it.
Hey, you guys, we're so excited, guys. We just opened up this, and guys, look at the back. Yes, that's on now. No!
Oh, awesome. Yeah, turn yours on, Benny.
That's money. Now, right. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. Guys, follow us. Guys.
That's cool.
Over.
Oh, you gotta turn it on, babe. There you go. You gotta turn the bottom one. Okay, now put